Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. A few months ago, I acquired a knife, blank, and sheet from a local knife dealer. He said he knew I could finish it up with a knife set scales. The pin holes were drilled, and I did not know what size pins I needed. So I contacted Michael at Penn Tool and asked if he could send out an inexpensive pin gauge set. We could test it out and demonstrate it for everyone. Today I'm going to go over that. Penn Tools have always been a good supporter of this channel. Now, before we get started, I'm going to show everyone the knife point and the sheath. Damascus knife. It's going to turn out nice by the time we're finished. But I'm going to show you why when you're making knives, how important it is to know exactly what size the pin is because they are drilled precisely. This pin gauge set comes with a certificate of accuracy. It's accurate to 0.2 thousandths of an inch. They're color-coded, fully adjustable gold no-go gauge handle, furnished with each set. That's what we have here. Sets are supplied with a rugged, high-impact protective case with each space marked for the appropriate gauge. Very handy on that. All the gauges are 2 inches long and are etched with the number on them. Might be hard to see with the naked eye. So if you've got one of these visors, like I got from Penn Tools, it'll help you read them. Now we'll show everyone how to use this set. Kind of get an idea of what's going to be close to what you need. And we can test it. We can put it in this handle. Makes it a little easy for you. You see how this one fits. This is 0.108, and you can see it's too tight to go through here. So we're going to take this one back out. Now we'll go down small. We'll go down to a 104. You can't eyeball these. You need a tool that's very accurate. Try this one. See, it's got wobble in it. That means it's too small. Now, we're going to go back up to the 106. See how it fits. This fits good. It's a good snug fit. And we'll try the 0.105 just to show everyone just how important it is to have an exact size you need. See, it's got some wiggle in it. When you're building knives, don't know what size pin you need. This is the kit you need. I'm going to put this one here, and we'll put this back. I think everyone can see how useful this kit is. I didn't realize all the different sizes till I started making knives. Everything's not in a fractional size. They do have numbers on the drill bits. This way you can figure out exactly what you need. Now we'll have a few final words. Now I hope I've shown everyone all the features on this kit. Penn Tool Company carries a lot of tools, but you just can't find anywhere else. They have a lot of specialty products. This is one of them. I highly encourage you to go to their website Just look at all the tools they have. You're only as good as the tools you have to work with. I'll have a link in the description box. Till next time, the Bearded Sharpener. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.